All right, hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of what is this game called again? While True Learn. I forgot the title of the game. We will continue on where we were at. We sold our Pizza Shack startup. We when it started to lose money. So we'll go to this. It says you've reached the end of the epoch. Click on one of the banners to proceed further in the story. And I'll tell you, this is about where I stopped when I played before. I know I told you I'd played some of this game. I went into the bronze. I don't know if bronze, silver, gold. I don't understand if it's one's easier than the other one or if they're three completely different storylines. I don't know, but I went with bronze last time. I'm just going to click gold this time to see if it's different. Ooh, cat mail. Ooh. Got the camera. This definitely should work. Eureka! It recognized a cat. The cat has been detected. Okay. Task type, neural network, basic learning machine, okay, etc. Animal emotions. I have managed a computer to detect the cat, but the beast is a complicated soul. Ever heard of perceptions? Also, maybe switch to dogs instead of cats. And now for something completely new. Yeah, this is I've never seen this before. Bad news, they already make a ton of errors, by the way. The percentage of errors shown on the right. Use training mode. Oh, no, I did get into one of these. So basically, in training mode, Perceptron reduces the amount of errors while trying to predict the shape of an element. In test run, Perceptron only predicts shapes. Okay, I don't... So basically, I put this in, line to it, my circles go there, my squares go here, and my triangles go here, and then I have to train it. But I just like train it, I just let it do its thing, and it's showing errors. And I think it starts getting better over time as I'm assuming it's getting feedback. It says the nodes in the field have reached their minimum margin of error. There's nothing more you can teach them. So I did training, so it's been trained. So I do a test run, and I guess you just solve it. And yeah, it's still got some errors, but they're within the tolerance. I can do 60% errors, and I got a gold medal. That's just training on how Perceptron works. Do we do dairy products? Metal Gear Construction. Let's do it. Dairy products. So, and this is where I get so confused. You got, this can take anything, and this can take only circles. So, I definitely put only circles down there, right? And then everything else up here. And even if these ones are errors, I mean, you can't give this one the wrong thing. So this 40% is kind of weird. This circle one can, though. I guess I gotta train it again. Yeah, see, this is gonna be... See, that's kind of weird because it's not going to realize it's bad because it's just 100% across the board. So it thinks everything it's sent up here is good. Even though they're only coming off of the square and the triangle line, that means it could be sending circles up the square and the triangle line. And it's like, oh, this thing's happy. It's just great. So I don't know if I'm supposed to train it separate or if that's just part of the game. There's no circles going up the square and the triangle line, that's for sure. So I guess it didn't teach it that. It needs 30 items up there, though. And it did it. I only got a bronze out of that. How do you do that better? Considering it was one at the top that took a while. Like, look, this one got 22 on this one, got 22. So more than double of what I needed are there. But there's no way to split that out. I can't, like, there's no splitter yet. I know one comes in this game, but I don't see what I could do to improve that score right now. This tells me you can only get gold or bronze, too, and that's it. There's no... Yeah, I just don't see what you can do to make this work better. I guess maybe I can look at these numbers. Oh, no, because that's not... Yeah, no, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, whatever. Let's just release it. I got money. Metal Gear Construction. That's what I wanted to go for here. Okay, let's see. So you take in a bunch of stuff. Outputs are only a handful of things. So let's first start off. We don't want everything to go through the same... Oh, wait. Okay. I kind of want to split them up out of the perceptron thing. So I want reds to go to the top. I wish I could just make, like, say reds go to the top and blues or greens go to the bottom. Like, that'd be nice, because you're going to have red and green coming out of the top, and that's not what I want. Unless... I don't know if this is red and green. So let's do that. And so blue and green comes to the bottom. And what I want is blue and green triangles to go there. And I want the blue and green circles to go to the trash can. Now I get the green. Because I also have red and green coming up here. Again, I could just dump them right back into here. But at the same time, how many nodes do I get? 7? At the same time, I'd rather not bottleneck there. And so the green triangles will also go here. And you can go to the trash can. And then the red triangles, I want to go to the trash can. And these two both go here. Is that right? I guess I have to train this thing, though. Yeah, I should have split up the work amongst these different perceptrons. So it shouldn't be super slow. Hey, look at this one. Look how backed up this one is anyway. And I split out all the red ones. I almost wonder if I should split out the blue ones as well. That would get across my limit, though. Okay, so now let's do a test run. How quickly this fills up. Okay, I'm onto the bronze. Well into the bronze. I didn't make it. 34. Okay, so I am getting bottlenecked here, though. So I have blues and greens coming out. And it's almost like I want to go blue, green. One of them goes into here. See, now I'm at 7, though. And then, yeah, if I add another one of these, I'm automatically going to be in the bronze category. And what I'm saying is, you know, I mean, it'll eliminate the bottleneck at this node, I think. I don't know if I have to train it again afterwards. I guess I didn't pay attention. Air. Let's do a test run now. Yeah, I'm already in the bronze category. Yeah, the bottleneck's definitely gone. Notice that these two are never even close to bottlenecking. So I can do that. So if these two are never even close to bottlenecking, is there a way to make this better? So I split out red and green to put them through here. And what I'm looking for is... Okay, so I can probably get rid of one of these then. And if it's... that wouldn't make sense. Wait, did I want one of... I don't think I wanted one of those. Hold on. If it's red or green, I want to find out if it's circles... If it's circles, it needs to check if it's red. Green. And if it's red, it goes there. Otherwise, it goes there. If it's... I'm back to 7. Shoot. If it's triangles... Yeah, because nothing overlaps. What way to send it to the trash can? don't know if doing a test run works because it's not trained. Yes, it's at its 100% right now. I'm sending a bunch of things to the trash can. I don't need to go to the trash can now. I got the nodes down. How close was I, out of curiosity? 28 seconds? Yeah, that top one is definitely not bottlenecking at all. And it took 39 seconds. I mean, that's a significant amount of time. Let's just release this for now. We'll come back to it later. Toy manufacturing. Okay. 2 different input streams. The output streams are circles only on the top. Circles can also go on the bottom. I need 30 of them, so I have to send them to both. Oh god. So it's 22. I need 30 of these, and it's 22 and 18. And this is 35 and 25, and I need 45. Is this the way that this is going to get satisfied the best? I don't have any idea. Why am I sending squares up to the top? Oh, it's because it's still learning. That didn't make it. This one wasn't smart enough. Didn't show that it was smart enough. I guess it does better in... No, yeah, it's sending a lot of squares up there. Oh. Hold on. Triangles can go to... Probably to this one? Oh, let's train that again. The nodes on the fields have reached their minimum... Oh, margin of error, okay. Okay, so this one won't back up anymore. This one is getting neglected. Okay, so this is the one that's a problem because it's only taking in squares. I think I was supposed to do that. I was trying to speed up the one on the very bottom, but I realized I never... There was not enough squares to even complete that task. The one on the bottom is going to be my bottleneck, though, isn't it? Yeah, I'm in the... Ah, I didn't quite make it. 44. So I think the top is getting plenty at 46. The bottom one is missing stuff at 44. I can't just send over one of these circles, though. However, I can do... No, I can't. I have to send both circles to the top. There's no way around that. So, on the bottom, I need 30 of those. So I need 20. So if I send the higher number items, so what if I do squares? I'll go here, and triangles, I'll go here. So they do 25, 30, 42. Okay, so as long as I can get through it all, it should be the right numbers. I just don't know how much time will be left. $43. Huh. You have to send both circles to the top because otherwise this can only accept circles and it needs 30 and there's only 27 in the max. You have to send both of those there. Squares, I got 22 and 35. So what if I do... Because what if I change... What if I send these to there? And these to here? We're just going to kind of try, like... The only ones I have to mess with are the squares and the triangles. I wish I could send circles down here. It just won't work. It physically is not possible. And this is where I feel that this game might start to kind of fall apart as it goes on. Is I think you have to start upgrading stuff in order to keep up. 42. No. So which one is the... So if I did... And just to confirm... Each one just go 2-2 and 2-2. This didn't make it, right? Or did this barely make it? So I tried both of these going here, both of these going here. $44. Okay, so now we try to switch just the triangles. That didn't switch it at all. Because if I try all these combinations and it doesn't work, I don't know what to do. $43. So, okay. So we tried just the triangles. Let's put the triangles back and switch just to the squares. And that's all the combinations that this could possibly be, right? Well, I guess it's not all the combinations it could possibly be. Didn't make it still. So let's go both squares go here and both triangles go here. This is going to be the worst one, yeah, right? This one's flying through though. How many's going to be in here? 40. See, there's 43 in here. I'm not going to get to the 45 if I switch these. It's just not going to happen. But for fun, let's do both squares go here, both triangles go here. $43. See, those are. I mean, there's no way around that. My gut tells me I should take the highest number, which would be this square goes here. I mean, and this goes here. That is what my gut tells me it should be. Because I need to have a minimum of a square and a triangle going here. Because there's no way you can do none of these numbers at... Well, hold on. That's not true. Hold on. This is 35 of them. Let's just do that. Oh my goodness. As long as it's fast enough. I didn't even see that. The fact that that can satisfy. Just squares going in there can satisfy that as long as it's fast enough. Question is it fast enough? I don't know the answer to that. It is not fast enough. Shoot. That's the only one that I can be by itself on too, right? How do we make that faster? I don't know how to make this faster. What What are my other schemes? What was this one? What does this one do at the end of the day? Circle, square, triangle. Will that somehow help me at all? And is it faster? Like, that's what I don't understand. If it's circle, square, triangle coming out of here. I mean, can I just do the circle, square, triangle? Will that be enough? What is there more squares? No, there's more squares, more triangles. Oh god. Oh god. No, 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 back. And let's go with this. Okay, I don't need to train anything apparently. It even sent some wrong things down here. How close was it? Somewhat close. And the reason I asked that is if I double these now, what if I get another one of these? Circle. Square. Triangle. Let's see what happens. I mean, theoretically it'll process twice as fast, but it's not really twice as fast. It's just two different nodes. Oh my god. I mean, this just went it's the exact same, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just like the exact same. I mean, this processes them all pretty fast. It got down to, there was like 5 left in these squares. So what, maybe it doesn't process them the exact same? Because now we're going to fill up this one for sure. I think I'm just right back to doing what I was doing before. Yeah, this one's not going to fill up, even though it's down. Yeah, it's just not going to fill up. I don't know what to do. What was this one? Square and triangles to one and circles to the other. We can try this. Not that this should, in theory, do anything. So, I think, what was it? Square and triangles to the top. Yes. Circles. And then nope. Sorry, circles, and then I mean that. Yeah, it's gonna end up the same, right? I mean, it looks fast. I just can't tell. Oh my god. 1. Look at that. 1. Why is that faster? I don't understand why that's faster. I'm going to try something stupid. Now we're going to... New technologies. Oh, no, this is where I'm at. Can I buy? I can't buy nodes. I bought stuff. I can't buy anything else. I don't know how to make this one work. What do these do? Data scientists. These don't do anything. They don't seem. What's in my inbox? Private ones. Oh, whatever. Let's go to the next. I can't wrap my head around that one right now. When reinforced learning nodes work a bit differently, all data is initially unspecified, and your task is to recognize it and transmit it to the RL agent. Okay. Car road. What do I transmit to the RL agent? This? Both of them? What's the what? Test run. Okay. What did I do? Tune. On this screen, you'll be training or testing your AI. AI acts based on data you've been recognizing when building your scheme. The data about surrounding on the radar or on the road are processed from your scheme to match learning models. Your car won't be capable of learning and detecting obstacles without it. The goal in this type of task is to make an AI clever enough to be able to reach the target average speed level. 51. Press supervised learning and drive the track yourself using WASD or arrow keys to teach the AI. Be careful. The car sees only objects in the LiDAR area. Okay. Okay, so I move. Then I push the gas to go faster. Okay. So I'm going 56 miles an hour, which is above 51. It only sees objects in the LiDAR, so I want to wait until it gets in this area to then swerve, right? Otherwise, it's not that good. Press training and watch the car's AI try to reproduce that, okay? Evolve. Your model has achieved the target speed. Crashed into a car. Press test and enjoy your results. Hey, it moved over. It moved over. Okay, that was weird. That crashed. Hey, I did it. Gold medal. Let's release it. Accept. Okay, interesting. Text recognition. Deep news. Okay. Text recognition. Okay. Again. Confused. There's 300 of each one coming through. I need 18 in here and I need 30 in here. So if I just send you to there and you to there, I mean, that seems like the most likely thing, right? I should train it first. Okay. Test run. This is going to work. Okay, definitely got my 30. Okay, we did it. Release it. That's good. Ooh, a self-driving car. Let's get a new startup. $4 grand. Okay. You don't need to train your nodes while in startups. They already have the minimum margin of error because time is money. Okay. Triangles, circles, squares. Really? Had a bad one down there. I mean, I guess this is one of those things where how... So I still have bad ones coming through. This one's not in the tolerance yet. And it needs a 90% tolerance. Do I want to add another one of these just to make sure. Let's do that. And then, I mean, I guess in theory, I might as well do the same thing here, right? And if it circles and squares, it goes there. So it's basically a second, it's redundancy. This should basically be 100%. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple things coming across. Well, still saw a circle slide through here. I want this to get back up to 90%, and then I'm gonna... Ah, that circle slid through again. I don't want to do this like a third time. Well, I guess you know what? I guess it's another option, another possibility for it to be messed up. It says it's 3 of 50 nodes. Should I again, since that one needs to be 90%, just one more time? Send it in here, and only if it's a triangle, send it through. I mean... it should help improve this accuracy of this one over here. Yeah, I think this is what I need to do. I like it. Let's release it. Launch. Okay. Next day. Ooh, there's some errors going on. It looks like with the red. It's not always possible to satisfy all your customers in one day. Users with unfulfilled requests are shown in red. You don't have the instruments to solve the problem with the startup, but you'll get that handle on the future ones. Next day. Are we still making money? I mean, looks pretty common. Well, either way, we have a self-driving car startup. We failed miserably at doing one of these. The toy manufacturing one. Can I buy anything yet? Anything more that would help me? No, I can't. So, I think we're going to call episode 2 done. And hopefully you guys are enjoying this. My thought process on this isn't like a tutorial on solving levels. This is just me playing this game as it was intended to be played. And you guys are here with me. So hopefully you guys enjoy. And otherwise, I will see you in the next episode.